In the bustling city of Lagos, Nigeria, there lived a young man named Samuel, a dreamer with an unshakable ambition to become a renowned entrepreneur. From an early age, Samuel was fascinated by the stories of successful individuals who defied the odds and carved their paths to greatness. But for all his big dreams, he struggled with one crucial aspect: focus. Samuel had plenty of ideas. One day, he wanted to start a tech company. The next, he was passionate about opening a chain of restaurants. He would start projects enthusiastically, but after encountering challenges, he would abandon them for something that seemed easier or more promising. As a result, years passed, and Samuel found himself stuck in a cycle of unfulfilled goals and growing frustration. One day, he confided in his mentor, Mr. Thompson, a retired businessman known for his wisdom and accomplishments. "I don't understand, sir," Samuel said. "I work hard, I have great ideas, but nothing ever seems to work out." Mr. Thompson smiled knowingly and handed Samuel a small glass jar, some large stones, small pebbles, and a bag of sand. "This," he said, "will teach you the secret to achieving your goals." Intrigued, Samuel watched as Mr. Thompson filled the jar with sand first, followed by the pebbles, and then tried to fit the large stones. But no matter how much he tried, the big stones wouldn't fit. "Now watch carefully," Mr. Thompson said as he emptied the jar. He placed the large stones first, followed by the pebbles, and finally poured in the sand, which seamlessly filled the gaps. "The large stones," he explained, "are your most important goals. The pebbles are smaller priorities, and the sand represents distractions. If you fill your life with distractions first, you won't have space for your true goals. But if you focus on your main priorities, everything else will fit into place." Determined to change his approach, Samuel went home and made a list of his top 3 goals. He committed to working on them daily, setting clear deadlines and resisting the urge to chase after distractions. It wasn't easy. There were days he felt like quitting, times when doubts crept in, and moments when progress felt painfully slow. But Samuel persevered, and with each small victory, his confidence grew. Months turned into years, and Samuel achieved his first major milestone, launching a successful tech startup. Soon, his company began gaining recognition, and he expanded his business. Reflecting on his journey, Samuel realized that the secret to achieving goals lay not in talent or luck, but in focus, discipline, and consistency. 1. Prioritize your big goals. Like the large stones in the jar, focus on what truly matters. Let go of distractions and lesser priorities. 2. Break goals into steps. Success doesn't happen overnight. Divide your goals into smaller, actionable tasks and tackle them one at a time. 3. Be consistent. Progress, no matter how slow, leads to success if you stay committed. 4. Avoid distractions. Resist the temptation to chase every shiny opportunity. Stay on your chosen path. In our daily lives, this story reminds us to focus on what's essential, set clear goals, and work towards them consistently. By applying these lessons, we can turn our dreams into reality and achieve the success we aspire to.